Welcome to our lesson once more. This is Mr. Benaya Agejivie, working from EduVibe Studios 101. Now, the lesson I have for you guys today is actually for year 10 and year 8 students. You must have been introduced to polygons. Today, I want to show you how to use what is called the general method to construct any type of polygon, especially regular polygons. Anyway, I'm going to start with the pentagon. We'll take it to hexagon. You can use this method to construct any type of regular polygon. The example I'm going to be using, I want the side of our polygon to be 50 millimeters, 50 mm. So the first thing you do in this work, you draw a horizontal line. Let us assume this is a horizontal line. On your left hand side, cut a mark. Let's call that mark A. Then you take your compass, you measure your 50. Let me take 1, 0 to number 5. Oh, it's already there. You put it at A and you cut a mark here. Let us call that mark B. The next thing you want to do, bisect line AB. Bisect line AB. This is my B here. I'll cut up and cut down. I just took any radius bigger than the center. I put it at B. I cut up again and then I cut down. That's it. I take the intersections, that is here and here, and I rule a vertical line like this. I rule a vertical line. Let me end it there, for instance. Okay, let's take it down. So after bisecting that, the next I'm going to do, I'll take my 60-degree set square and 45-degree set squares. Good. At B, for instance, I put my t-square to my set square to my t-square, shift it to point B, and then I rule a line. That place, my 60 degree touches this vertical line. Let me call that place number 6. And I use my 45-degree set square now. I take it at A. Can you see that? And draw a line to touch my vertical line at this point. At that point, let me call the place point number 4. So I need a point number 5 since I'm constructing a pentagon, and we all know a pentagon has what? 5 sides. So I'll bisect point 4 and 6. Let me bisect that now. Let me reduce this radius. I take this part, and I take this other part. Can you see that? I put it at number 6 without changing my radius, and I cut here and cut this way. Can you see that? Then I use my meter rule and put it at the bisectors, and I just get a mark here. This mark I just introduced now, let me call it number 5. That's number 5. Now let's go to the actual work. I now put my compass needle at number 5 and extend the radius to A this way. You can either take A or B, the same thing. Now use that radius to draw a good circle. Draw a circle all around. This is the circle. Draw a circle. All right. The next thing I want to do, I want to take the distance AB, the distance A to B, like this. That's it. You know, remember we said the side of the pentagon should be 50. So I'm taking the 50 back. So I now want to use it to cut the circle. Cut the circle on my left hand side. Take it to B. take it to B. I cut the circle here. So let us assume here gives us C and D. Now I put it at C. I cut the upper part of the circle to form an intersector. Cut this way. I put it at D along the circle. Please be careful, watch me very well. And I cut there. Now this new intersection, let us call it E. The final part is I'll join A to D. I join A to D neatly like that. I also join C to B. I join my C to B like this. Can you see that? Then I join the C to E. I join C to E like this. And I take my D to E also like this. Can you see that? That's it. That's it. You can see the 5 sides of the pentagon. Can you see that? That's how to use this method to draw a pentagon. Let us assume we want to use this same method to draw a hexagon. How do we do that? You join me in the next video. See you in class very soon.